So what makes games different from other types of apps? It's a hard question because there are so many different types of games. But here are a few of the things that make writing games different from writing other types of apps. The first thing is that games are often built around an update loop or a game loop. This is as opposed to an event-based application, where the application basically sits around not doing much of anything until the user provides some input. Games, on the other hand, are built around a timer that fires 60 times a second. When that timer fires, it means it's time for the game to go look at the user input, update the state of the game world, and then draw a new frame to the screen. This means games often need to deal with polling for user input. Next, games often involve a ton of custom drawing. While you can make an Android app using entirely off-the-shelf user interface components, it's rare that you can do so with the game. You'll have to create your UI and your game world using either primitive shapes like lines, rectangles, and circles, or your own custom image assets, from pixel art all the way up to complex characters. Many games also feature special effects and animations, which are a ton of fun to make, but also a lot of hard work. There are whole fields of study that are much more relevant to games than other types of apps, like physics and AI. There's also exotic input devices to deal with, like gamepad controllers, or, more interestingly for this class, accelerometers, like the one you've got in your phone. Finally, my favorite part of game development is the fact that you get to create a lot of objects that have visible representations in your game world. Designing an elegant, object-oriented app is a lot more fun when your objects can run around hitting each other with swords.